Bolink D Cap is designed to fit the Tetra DreamCap. The cap is the correct size and has the right threads to seal tightly onto the DreamCap. The cap also has a vent which allows filtered air into the container and allows liquids to flow easily. It's easy to tell the difference between a DreamCap and a regular cap. The DreamCap has a plastic base on the spout that folds over the edge of the container's top. It also has a little bump below the spout. Non-DreamCap spouts don't extend over the edge of the container's top, and the size and threads of the spout won't match the Bolink D Cap. So first, before using your connector, you'll make sure your Tetra container has a DreamCap. You'll start by rolling the roller clamp closed, opening your Tetra container, connect your container to the Bolink D Cap, you want to prime your tubing first, so flip your container upside down and let some liquid into the tube by opening the roller clamp. Close the roller clamp once the tubing is full, and now you can connect your feeding tube. Now that your feeding tube is connected, you open your roller clamp and let the liquid flow. You can speed up or slow down flow by raising or lowering your container.